Have you ever accidentally deleted important files from your USB flash drive? Maybe it was your family photos, work documents, school projects, or even important videos. Trust me, I have been there. A while ago, I accidentally deleted an entire folder from my USB drive. At first, I thought everything was gone forever. I even tried checking the recycle bin before realizing that files deleted from a USB drive don't usually go there. That's when I started looking for a reliable recovery solution. If you've found yourself in the same situation, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted files, photos, videos, and documents from a USB flash drive on Windows using Tenorshare 4dig. The best part is that it's beginner-friendly and lets you scan your drive for free before deciding whether to recover your files. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is download Tenorshare 4dig. I'll leave the download link in the description. Once it's installed, connect your USB flash drive to your Windows computer and launch the software. Right away, you'll notice that the program supports recovering data not only from USB drives but also from hard drives, SSDs, SD cards, memory cards, external drives, cameras, laptops, and even the recycle bin. So even if your files weren't lost from a USB drive, this software can still help in many situations. Let me show the files on my USB. You can see the files on my USB. I'm going to select all of them and press Shift together with the Delete key to permanently delete the files. We are going to recover the files back. So after opening the program, you will see all the available storage devices connected to your computer. Simply select your USB flash drive and click Scan. You can see it can recover mostly all file types. One feature I really like is that the scan is completely free. This means you can check whether your deleted files are still recoverable before spending any money. That's really helpful because no data recovery software can honestly promise a 100% recovery rate, but Tenorshare 4dig has a very high success rate and is trusted by many users. The software immediately starts scanning your USB drive. As the scan progresses, you will notice that deleted files begin appearing in real time. It supports recovering more than 2,000 different file types, including photos, videos, Word documents, Excel files, PDFs, audio files, zip files, and many more. You can even filter the results by file type or search for a specific file name if you're looking for something particular. Another useful feature is the preview option. Before recovering anything, you can preview photos, documents, and many other file types to make sure you've found exactly what you need. Once you have found your deleted files, simply select them and click Recover. Now choose a different location to save the recovered files. For example, if you're recovering files from your USB drive, save them somewhere on your computer and not onto the same USB drive. This helps avoid overwriting any recoverable data. After a few moments, your files will be restored and ready to use again. It's really that simple. You can see the files I deleted and the ones I selected for recovery has been recovered. That's great. Besides recovering accidentally deleted files, Tenorshare 4dig can also recover data lost because of accidental formatting, corrupted USB drives, lost partitions, system crashes, virus attacks, and other storage-related issues. This makes it a great all-in-one recovery tool for almost any data loss situation. So that's how you can easily recover deleted files, photos, videos, and documents from a USB drive on Windows. If you'd like to try Tenorshare 4dig, I have placed the download link in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Windows tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.